Hello everyone. Today we are going to give pet to the lucky winner. And the lucky winner is Tolentino Nasha. So we will going to fill his bank with with helicopters. But first, I want to give Tolentino 10 million gems. Yes, 10 million. No, 100 million. 100 billion gems. Okay, so if you want also some gems and helicopter mythicals, just subscribe to our channel Vegapunk. And if we reach 500 subscribers, we're going to raffle Storm Agony. Huge Storm Agony. And maybe if we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to raffle this pet. My golden huge cyborg capybara. This one. When we reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so now we are going to give another lucky winner, and the name of the lucky winner is he's not inviting me yet. Come on, Flame, invite me now, so that I will going to fill your back with helicopter mythicals. Let's try to hatch some. Let us try to hatch some helicopter mythicals. And maybe if we are lucky enough, we can hatch the huge pet. Mythical. Let's see if we can hatch maybe 100 pieces of it. Okay, Flame is already inviting me to his bank, so let's go to the Pet Paradise and let's see if he already invited us to his bank so that we can put the helicopter mythicals in his bank. Okay. So congratulations, Flame Dragon. You are the winner of today's event. So he is my 5th subscriber. So hope that you subscribe to my channel and I will give you mythicals for free. Fill his bank with these mythicals, and then maybe we're going to give him some gems. Okay, let's fill it with mythicals. Oh, we already put 50 pieces of these helicopters. Let's see if it still have some space. So he already has 763 pets, and let's see if we can still give him some helicopters. Okay. Maybe we were going to put maybe 200 pieces or 250 pieces. Depends on the space of this bank. Oh, it's already 50 pieces. Okay, let's give him some gems. 100 million gems because we don't have enough gems. We will farm first so that we can give more gems to our supporters and subscribers. Okay. So again, congratulations Flame Dragon. And thank you for the support. May you watch again our next video. Let's try to go to the hardcore world and let's see if we can get some rainbow lucky. So now we are in the void and we are going to go to the hardcore.
Pinidyo ka nung dito.
Kaya pala nasa dugo.
Dahil?
Gudi-gudi na ako.
Kalat mo?
Okay, let's see if we can get some rainbow lucky. So let's get some rainbow lucky. I do hope we get one so that we can make it DM or probably so that we can DM it more much faster. Oops. We deleted the legendary, so we need to. Okay. Wait. I'm lagging. Wow, there's too many lucky. So let's see if we can get some. Maybe I will boost this channel so that we can have more probability of getting the rainbow lucky. Okay, so now we are in the void again, hardcore void, and we are going to boost this channel so that we can get some rainbow lucky. Okay, probably 30 minutes is enough, and let's try to boost some triple coins and also triple damage. Okay. So now we will go back to Cat Taiga and try to hatch some lucky rainbow lucky pet. And if we hatch more than 3, maybe I can give some to my supporters. Okay, let's try to hatch lucky cat. Oh, we got one. We got one. we don't need the legendary cat, but it's okay. It's fine. It is still useful, especially when you are not yet in the cat world. We do hope that we hatch some rainbow duck. I'm not expecting to hatch the huge pet here because it's too difficult, and the probability is probably 1 to 100,000 lucky blocks, so it's nearly impossible to hatch one. Oh, we got another egg. Wow, it's a golden lucky one. But we need more because in order to make one rainbow, we need 12 golden lucky. So that is not what we were looking for. We are looking for the rainbow one. But we need 3 rainbows so that we can make it DM faster. Because one rainbow is about 12 days before it will become dark matter pet. So it's way too long, and it's not, you cannot use it right away, so not very useful. So we need at least probably at least 3 to 4. If we get 4 rainbow lucky, then I will give away the 4th lucky. So let's see. We're just trying to get some new mythical here. But we're not getting any luck. We only got 2 lucky. One is normal and the other one is gold. We need a lot more before this event ends. I want more mythical so that we can give away more. Okay, it's a little bit difficult. I don't know what is the probability, but we already boosted the server, and we also click some boost. Well, it should be working right now. We also bought all the game pass except the teleport, so it should be working right now. But surprisingly, it's not working. We'll try to open this remaining 5 blocks, 5 huge blocks, and if there's no luck, maybe we are going to end this vlog for the meantime. But before we end the vlog, subscribe and comment down below your username, and then invite me to your bank. Invite me to your bank so that I can give you helicopter mythicals and some gems. Okay? So again, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Invite me to your bank. Comment down below and invite me to your bank so that I can give you lots of helicopter mythicals that you can sell for probably 10 to 50 million gems in Trading Plaza. So you already know that gems is very pricey right now, very expensive, and because of the latter event, gems become more valuable than the small exclusives. So I think it will be useful. It is fairly useful to have many mythicals that you can sell in the trading platform. Okay, so have a nice day and God bless everyone.